In this video, I'll give you the best and most unique TV wall idea designs that anyone can apply on a budget. The good thing about these TV wall ideas is that if you do not want to go through the trouble of repainting the TV wall, you can still give it a makeover by using wallpapers as a faster way to revamp your walls. I have pinned on the comment section some that you can use to duplicate these design ideas effortlessly. So let's take a look at the TV wall design ideas. We'll start off with the best colors for a TV wall. 1. You can decide to go for a neutral TV wall shade for a classic vibe. Some great examples of these neutral colors include a classic white TV feature wall, which is the epitome of timeless elegance. I recommend it because it radiates a clean, bright, and inviting aura that can make your living room feel both spacious and cozy. And you can add a luxurious and cozy feel around this area by installing elegant wall sconces or undershelf lighting to bring soft, warm light into your space. The glow against the white wall will add the luxurious feel to your living room. 2. If you're looking to camouflage your screen a bit, then consider going with a dark color, like black or deep navy blue. You can add matching dark furniture to pull everything together. The same goes for dark navy. It helps the flat screen fade into the background when not in use. 3. Use a black and white palette on the TV wall. The easiest way to make a blank black screen fade into the background of a small living room is to decorate with shades of black and white. It is a classic dance of contrasts, which creates an enduring aesthetic that suits a variety of interior living room styles. The black and white TV feature wall exudes an undeniable sophistication, effortlessly marrying timeless grace with contemporary design elements. You can be more creative by surrounding your TV with black and white photographs or artwork to transform your entertainment space into a refined gallery. You can also accent it with a chandelier to add a hint of grandeur. 4. If you want an eye-catching home theater, then a bold paint color, such as red or mint green, will make your TV take center stage. But it's important that you understand what colors work well with red and how it can affect your interior space, because red is one of the boldest and brightest statement-making colors. It is a very strong and dominant color, so you don't want to pair it with too many other dominant colors. Therefore, I recommend exploring multiple shades of red before settling on one. Some good examples include maroons, magentas, burnt oranges, and other similar shades that won't look so aggressive. Or you can generally pair red with black, navy, shades of blue, gray, and white. 5. If you would like your living room to look spacious and bright, then go for pastel colors for your TV wall. It will work well with light neutral shades. I love the pastel colors because they are a wonderful way to infuse your living space with a soothing aura while keeping it chic. Choose a pastel color that resonates with you and complements the rest of your living room decor. This could be a soft blush, a soothing mint, a gentle lilac, or a sky blue. It's also a good idea to incorporate natural elements into the design, like for instance, pastel colors will work wonderfully with natural wood or plants, creating a serene and inviting environment. Metallic TV wall accents marry modern design with luxurious touches. I love this design because the style transforms your TV wall into an elegant focal point. You can incorporate metallic accents in your TV wall design. These accents may include silver, gold, or brass. They could be in the form of a metallic TV frame or even metal inlays in your wall panels. I would also recommend adding floating shelves in the high-gloss finish for practical storage solutions on this interior design idea. Did you know mirrors can add a surprising touch of sophistication and depth to your TV feature wall design? Well, now you know. But I mostly recommend this design idea to those who are aiming for a modern and luxurious ambiance for their living room. Also, aside from enhancing the perceived space, mirrors also reflect light to create a bright and airy ambiance. You can use mirrored panels or tiles to amplify the feeling of space. This will make your room appear larger and more inviting. I recommend you experiment with different shapes and sizes like large panels that create a seamless reflection, or smaller panels that add a bit of a geometric design element for an engaging visual display. Depending on your preference, you can also combine the TV wall mirrors with other materials like wood or metal. This can break the uniformity of the mirror wall and add an extra layer of texture. If you would like to infuse creativity and personality into your living space, then why not try placing an oversized artwork behind the TV? Because the wall behind the TV offers a wonderful opportunity to do so. But remember this, it will work perfectly only when it's strategically positioned behind large TVs in order to create a lovely focal point. A wall-mounted TV with a wall of built-in shelving with soft backlighting will help to balance the room and ensure that the TV isn't the only source of light on the wall. You can add a block arrangement of media units to the side to create a place to display decorative and treasured items. This design will provide a lovely, cozy glow. Hang a large painting on the opposite wall of the TV. This will not only create balance, but it will also amplify the room's dimensions, making the space appear larger than it is. Less is more. Choose a few quality, meaningful decor pieces, and avoid unnecessary clutter or embellishments around your TV area. Avoid ornate details or excessive decor elements to maintain a clean, streamlined look, thus allowing your TV and the chosen piece to coexist harmoniously. You can hang minimalist sconces on either side of the TV to provide balance and ambient light. I love the minimalist design because it emphasizes functionality and simplicity without sacrificing style. Sometimes, less truly is more. So go ahead and embrace the beauty of minimalism by opting for a simple yet impactful approach to wall decoration behind TV. You can let the natural beauty of marble shine as the main backdrop for your TV. Also, try to incorporate wooden elements like a floating console, which adds texture that contrasts beautifully with marble, creating a visual balance while at the same time offering a functional, stylish storage solution for your entertainment gadgets. I love this design because the unique veining patterns of the marble make it a standout design element, and the cool elegance of marble wallpaper, combined with the warm richness of wood design, offers an alluring balance of natural elements. A patterned wall behind the TV will distract the eye when the screen is off. I love it because it creates a visually captivating backdrop, and it's a dynamic and eye-catching design concept that adds a sense of movement and energy to the room. You can try experimenting with hexagonal or diamond-shaped wooden installed panels in a repeating pattern for a modern and mesmerizing effect. Or go ahead and play with contrasting colors to make the geometric shapes pop against the wall. You can instantly transform your TV wall into a captivating sensory experience by adding various textures. This can be by choosing textured wallpaper or creating a focal point with 3D wall panels that come in an array of patterns, from geometric to organic designs, adding depth and visual interest. Then go ahead and enhance the design with strategic lighting to cast intriguing shadows, amplifying the texture's allure during both daytime and evening hours. This is a powerful way of making a design statement in your home. That's it for me. All the best. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decorations and interior designs.